Hey everybody, welcome to this shortwave radio channel. So of course, like some of you know, I got my W6LVP loop that is temporarily installed in the corner of the balcony here, as you see. So it's not the place where it's going to be. I still haven't decided exactly where, but at least, you know, I wanted to try it, so I had to put it outside a little bit and see how it works. I did a test. I was talking about this yesterday on the live show. So the antenna is powered. So there's a little box that comes with it, and here it is, just to show you guys. So this is the power inserter, and of course it's BNC connector to the BNC connector on the antenna, and it has the antenna connector at the other end, and of course a 12-volt input here, and you see a little green light that's lit to show you that it's actually powered. Now I wanted to test that because it is powered by a wall wart that was included with my setup, and the wall wart that he actually gives is this one here with the antenna. So this is not a switching power supply, it's really a transformer with, you know, regulated power. And so that can't be noisy. It's, you know, just a transformer and regulator. I wanted to see if, just by any chance, some of the noise, because I mean, I have a very noisy electrical grid here. So I was wondering if this power connector might give some noise to the antenna. So what I did, I took out this lead acid battery here. And of course I got the connector here, and I powered the antenna from the battery rather than powering it from the power adapter, and compared the noise level, and notice that there's absolutely no difference. So first observation, because I needed to know if the power adapter would bring in some power line noise to the antenna. No, it doesn't. It seems to be very, very quiet. So that test is done. Now I do have a lot of noise, and even though on some frequencies, like the 19-meter band for example, my noise floor is lower here and then on the sloper. So the 19-meter band is actually better using the loop. The other frequency ranges, there are some places like the 49-meter band or the 40-meter AM band, and I see no difference in noise level from one and the other. The signals are as strong, so I can say that the signals are as strong on this magnetic loop as they are on the sloper that I use. So, you know, it's still very noisy, and of course positioning it somewhere will be strategic to make it better. But if you don't have any space for anything, long wire or anything, and you just got a balcony, I can already tell you that this antenna actually receives as well as my sloper, which is 75 feet long in my backyard, and goes to the end of the up to the end of the yard here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we'll put it there. So here at the end, at the corner here of the yard where there's the tree, we don't see it well, but my wire is going in that corner where the tree branches are. So that's where my sloper starts, at the corner of the yard over there, and it actually goes up above here and goes to the roof corner. So it's 75 feet of sloper that I've got there. So I can tell you that the magnetic loop receives as well as the sloper that I'm using. So if you don't have space for a wire, but you have the money and you have a little balcony, a little spot where you can put the loop, it actually receives very well. On the noise front, well, it's still very noisy, so I'm of course going to do some tests and try to install it in different spots, see where it is the least noisy, and try to get a better signal to noise ratio on that antenna. So that's a little update I wanted to give you guys on the W6LVP Magnetic Loop. It's an amplified loop, and in that little box there's actually high pass, low pass filters to remove any AM or FM signals that are very strong here that could interfere with the loop. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.